Chapter 7 Social, Mobile, and Local Marketing. In this chapter, we're going to study the difference between traditional online marketing and the new social, mobile, local marketing platform and the relationship between social, mobile, and local marketing. And then we're going to study the social marketing process from fan acquisition to sales and the marketing capability of social marketing platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. And then identify the key element of a mobile marketing campaign. And then we're going to study capability of a location-based local marketing. Class, Pinterest expand around the globe. Like all successful e-business company, Pinterest taps into a simple truth. In Pinterest case, the simple truth is that people love to collect things and show off their collection to others. Founded in 2009 by Ben Sieberman, Evan Schaff, and Paul Sierra, and launched in March 2010, Pinterest allows you to create virtual scrapbook of image, video, and other contents that you pin to a virtual bulletin board or pin board. Popular categories include fashion, home decor, do-it-yourself, and craft, food and drink, and animal. Find something that you particularly like. Do you use Pinterest, and if so, how often? What are your main interests? What has the experience been like? Have you used any other curation site? If so, how do they compare to Pinterest? Have you purchased anything based on a pin or board on Pinterest or any other curation site? Why do you think Pinterest link drive more purchasing than Facebook links? We're gonna discuss detail in our classroom. Introduction to social, mobile, and local marketing. New marketing concept, conversation, engagement. In fact, over smartphone and tablet, social, mobile, local nexus, strong ties between consumer use of social network, mobile devices, and local shopping. Social, mobile, and local marketing have transformed the online marketing landscape. Before 2007, Facebook was pleasing company limited to college students. Apple had not yet announced the iPhone. Online marketing consisted largely of creating a corporate website, buying display advertisement on Yahoo, purchasing AdWords on Google, and sending email. From eyeball to conversation. After 2007, everything began to change. With the rapid growth of Facebook and other social network sites, the explosive growth of smartphones beginning with Apple iPhone in 2007, and the growing interest in local marketing. What's the difference about the new world of social, mobile, local marketing, and advertising are the related concept of conversation and engagement. Marketing today is based on business marketing themselves as partner in multiple online conversation with their customer, potential customer, and even critic, from the desktop to the smartphone and tablet. In 2015, for the first time, spending on mobile marketing exceed that spent on desktop laptop. Social, mobile, and local digital marketing are self-reinforced and connected. For instance, as mobile devices become more powerful, they are more useful for accessing Facebook and other social sites. As mobile devices become more widely adopted, they can be used by customers to find the local merchant and for merchants to alert customers in their neighborhood to special offer. In 2018, over 92% of Facebook US advertising revenue is expected to be generated by its mobile audience. Figures 7-3 Online Marketing Platform. In this figure, you can see the online marketing, social, mobile, local, and then the amount spent on mobile marketing in the United States far exceeds the amount spent on social marketing and has overtaken the amount spent on local online marketing as well. Social marketing. Traditional online marketing goal: deliver business message to the most consumer. Social marketing goal: encourage consumer to become fans and engage and enter conversation. Strengthen brand by increasing share of online conversation. Social marketing player. The most popular site account for over 90% of all social network visited. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr. Unique visitors versus engagement. Engagement measures the amount and intensity of user involvement. Facebook dominates in both measures. Dark social, sharing outside of major social network, email, instant messenger, text, etc. Figure 7.4, the social marketing process. Fan acquisition, engagement, amplification, community, brand strengths. The social marketing process has 5 steps. So at first glance, the large number of different social sites is confusing, each with a unique user experience to offer, from Twitter microblogging, text messaging service, to Tumblr's blogging capability, and so graphical social sites like Pinterest and Instagram. Yet, they can all be approached with a common framework. Figure 7.4 illustrates a social marketing framework that can be applied to all social, mobile, and local marketing efforts. Social marketing campaign begin with fan acquisition, which involve using any of a variety of means, from display advertisement to news feed and page pop-up, to attract people to your Facebook page, Twitter feed, or other platform like a web page. The next step is to generate engagement, which involves using a variety of tools to encourage users to interact with your contents and brand located on your Facebook or web pages. Amplification involves using the inherent strengths of a social network. Once you have gathered enough engaged fans, you will have create the foundation for a community, a more or less stable group of fans who are engaged and communicating with one another over a substantial period of time. Ultimately, the point of marketing is drive sales revenue, measure the impact of a social marketing campaign on brand strengths, and sales is still being explored by marketer, social network manager, and researcher, but generally the results are positive. Social marketing campaign drive sale. Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing, basic Facebook feature. In textbook table 7.1 describe the various Facebook features that are important in terms of using Facebook as a marketing platform. Newsfeed, timeline, profile, search. Social density of audience is magnified. Facebook is the largest repository of deeply personal information. Facebook geared to maximizing connection between users. Facebook marketing tool. Reaction button. The reaction and the share button on the Facebook and the similar button on the social side are perhaps the single most important element in the rise of social marketing. Like is the engine of social marketing. Reaction button gives users a chance to share their feeling about contents and other objects they are viewing and website they are visiting. Brand page. Facebook only effort at brand marketing focus on the development of brand page as a means for firms to establish a direct relationship with their current and potential customer. Nearly all Fortune 1000 company and hundreds of thousands of smaller firms have Facebook brand pages, similar to brand website on Facebook as an adjunct to their main website. New feed page post ad. The news feed is a most prominent place for advertisement. The newsfeed is the center of the action for Facebook user and where Facebook users spend most of their time because that is where posts from their friends appear. Right-hand column, sidebar advertisement. These display advertisements are located in the right-hand column or sidebar of Facebook page. They are often used to direct user to open Facebook content such as website, landing page, and contents offer. Facebook Live. Facebook introduced Facebook Live, its free video streaming service, in year 2016. Video ad. In year 2014, Facebook began showing 15-second video autoplay advertisements. Since that time, Facebook video advertisements have become an increasingly important part of Facebook advertising strategy. Facebook Watch. In 2017, Facebook launched Facebook Watch, a video-on-demand service in the United States, and roll out the service globally in 2018. Mobile advertisement. Facebook introduced the Facebook for mobile in 2007. It now has over 1.7 billion daily monthly active users. User can also access Facebook using a mobile browser, although it is slower. Facebook Messenger. In year 2016, Facebook began a long campaign to deploy chatbot on Messenger, Facebook instant message application, to provide automated customer support and other e-commerce services, and introduce sponsor message that allow company to send message to customer who had previously engaged with them. Facebook Exchange is a real-time bidding system that allow advertisers to target their advertise based on personal information provided by Facebook. Typical Facebook marketing campaign. Establish Facebook brand page. Use comment and feedback tool to develop fan comment. Develop a community of users. Encourage brand involvement through video, rich media, contest. Use display advertisement for other Facebook pages and social search. Display like button regularly. Measuring Facebook marketing result. Basic metric: fan acquisition, impression, engagement, conversation rate, application reach, community, and brand strength sales. Fan acquisition: the number of people exposed to your Facebook brand page first and paid advertisement. The percentage of those exposed who became fan and followers. The ratio of impression to fans followers. Engagement conversation rate: the number of first comments and response, the number of views of brand page content, the number of likes generated for visit, the number of users who responded to game, contest, and coupon, the number of minutes on average that visit sites stay on your page. Amplification, the percentage of like, share, or post to other site, the rate at which fans share your content. Community, the monthly interaction rate with your contents, the average monthly on-site minute for all fans followers. The brand strength sales, the percentage of your online sales that is generated by Facebook link campaign compared to other platforms such as email, search engine, and display advertisement. The percentage of Facebook source customer purchase compared to other sources of customer. Facebook Analytic Tool. Facebook Page Insight, Social Media Management System, Hootsuite, Analytic Provider, Google Analytics, Web Trends. Insight on technology optimizing social marketing with Sprout Social. Companies of all shape and size are now tapping into the power of social media for marketing and advertising to improve their bottom lines and enrich their relationship with their customer. As social media continue to become enriched in the business and culture landscape, an ecosystem of companies has sprung up around it to meet the growing demand. One major area of growth is in social media analytics, tools that allow companies to track and report social media account performance and generate recommendation on how to optimize social media marketing effort. Sprout Social is the market leader in the burgeoning field. Class discussion: how do social media analytics help company identify and attract customer? What are the challenges in measuring the effectiveness of social marketing campaign? What advantage did Wall professional find in using Sprout analytics and tools? We're gonna talk about more detail in our class. Twitter marketing. Real-time interaction with the consumer. Over 335 million active users worldwide. Over 90% access Twitter from mobile device. Basic feature: tweet, retweet, follower, message, hashtag, mention, reply, link, momentum, timeline. Twitter marketing tool. Promoted tweet, Twitter promote more. Advertiser pay to have their tweet appear in user search result. Promoted tweet are Twitter version of Google AdWords. Promoted trends. Advertiser pay to move their hashtag symbol used to mark keyword in a tweet to the top of the Twitter's trends list. Otherwise, hashtags are found by the Twitter search engine, and only those that are organically popular make it to the trend list. Promoted account. Advertiser pay to have their branded account suggested to users who are likely to be interested in the account in the who to follow list. Twitter's account recommendation engine on the Twitter homepage. Amplifier. The Twitter Amplifier program provides marketers with a real-time digital dashboard so they can see the resulting tweet activity about the show or the brand. Promoted video. In 2014, built on the Amplify program, Twitter announces a beta test of promoted video, which allows advertisers to distribute video on the Twitter platform. Twitter card. Marketer can embed a card into tweet. When users click on the tweet, a promotional offer appears and users are asked to sign up. Mobile advertisement. Because 90% of Twitter users access Twitter on a mobile device, most of the above referenced marketing tools can be considered mobile advertisement tool. Mobile is the primary driver of Twitter business and the source of most of its revenue. Typical Twitter marketing campaign. Follow other relevant to your contents and conversation. Experiment with a simple promoted tweet and tweet promoted mode. For large budget, use promoted trends. For retail, business, local sale, build tweet card. Measuring tweet marketing results similar to Facebook results. Fan acquisition, engagement, amplification, community brand strength, sales. Analytic tool. Twitter's real-time dashboard, Twitter's real-time activity, and followers dashboard. Third-party tool, TweetDeck, Tweetalizer, Backtweet. Hi. Yeah, Pinterest marketing. Yeah, one of the fastest growing and largest image sharing site, and then it enables users to talk about brands using picture rather than words. Features include pins and repins to board, share, follow, contributor, links to URL, and price displays. Actually, yeah, Pinterest provides user with an online board to which they can pin interesting picture. The success of Pinterest is based in part on a shift in consumer behavior enabled by new technology. People talk about brand using picture rather than words. Large number of users are pinning and Instagramming about their lives using pictures. So there are several pictures. The pictures, as you know, the pin used to push the photo to a Pinterest board, a share pinned photo with friends on Facebook, Twitter, and email. Follow, user can choose to follow other pinner and boards and receive email update. Contributor, and also link to URL, and also price displays. So hover over product and price and other information displays. And Pinterest marketing tool, rich pin, promoted pin, cinematic pins, viable pins, shop the look pins, promoted video, add pin it and follow button, pin as display advertisement, theme-based lifestyle board, brand page, URL links to store, integration with other social site, network with user, followers, others. Rich pins enable advertisers to include extra information directly on the pin itself. There are 6 types of rich pin: product, application, place, article, movie, and recipe. Promoted video uses Pinterest new native video advertise player to allow marketer to run video advertise. Network with the user, follow others. As with Facebook and Twitter, command, mention, and communicate with others using Pinterest. Participate in the community and you will become better known and learn more about potential customer and what they believe and to what they aspire. Typical Pinterest marketing campaign. Before ripping into a Pinterest campaign, ask yourself some questions about your product and services, and then identify some strategic objective for your Pinterest presence. Create Pinterest brand page and multiple lifestyle theme board. Improve quality of photos. Use URL links and keyword. Utilize Pinterest rich pins and or product pin. Pin it buttons and integrate with Facebook and Twitter. Follow and interact with other pinners and boards. Measuring Pinterest marketing result. Same dimension as Facebook, Twitter, Marketing on other social networks. Instagram, brand profile, advertisement campaign, display and video, buy button, and marquee advertisement. And also, there are great many social networks where products and services can be marketed, the largest of which include Instagram, LinkedIn, and Snapchat. Instagram is a visual social network. Snapchat, Snapchat Story, Live Story, Discover, Snap Advertisement, Sponsored Geofilter, Sponsored Lenses. Snapchat is a mobile messenger application social network that allows its users to chat and send image and video that disappear after a relatively short period of time once they have been viewed. LinkedIn, company profile, showcase pages, career pages, display advertisement, self-service advertisement, or advertising partner solution, sponsored in mail, LinkedIn posts. The downside of social marketing. The social marketing is not without its disadvantage. Sometimes social media campaigns backfire. One problem is that brands lose a substantial amount of control over what people say about their brands. See the Insight on Society case, the dark side of social network in chapter 10 for a variety of examples, and also lose control over where their advertisements appear in terms of other contents on social site. Advertised placed on Facebook according to an algorithm can be placed near contents that does not represent the value of the brands. This is not peculiar to social net marketing, as advertising using Google's advertising platform faces the same problem. This is very different, however, from TV advertising, where brands maintain near complete control. Social networks are unique in that disgruntled consumer or just malicious people can post material that is inaccurate and or embarrassing. In contrast, TV advertisement maintain near complete control. Insight on Society, marketing to children of the web in the age of social network. Social and mobile marketing have given advertisers an arsenal to influence children and gather valuable data using consumer advertise product characters, videos, games, virtual world, and surveys. Marketers are aggressively competing for the attention of young minds. In some cases, minds so young they are unlikely to know when they are being marketed to and when they are being given misleading or even harmful information. Class discussion: why is online marketing to children a controversial practice? What is the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and how does it protect the privacy of children? How do companies verify the age of online user? Should companies be allowed to target marketing efforts to children under the age of 13? We're going to talk about in our class. And mobile marketing, over 255 million Americans use a mobile device for internet access. devices used multiple times per day by 2021. Mobile commerce will account for more than 50% of all retail and travel e-commerce. Challenges: mobile search, motivating consumers to click, raising fees for each click. Figure 7.5, the growth of m-commerce. Retail and commerce is expected to grow to almost 4.3 trillion by 2022, according for over 70% of all retail e-commerce revenues worldwide. How people actually use mobile devices. Average of over 3.5 hours daily on mobile devices, over 55% entertainment, over 20% social network, almost 70% hour occur in home. So activities are similar to desktop activity. Rapidly growing smartphone m-commerce sales, and mobile devices currently used more for communicating and entertainment than for shopping and buying. Inappropriate experiences and advertisement. Mobile uses. Smartphone application 70% of total time using mobile application, over 90% of application time spent on users' top 5 application. Users use about 20% application per month. Application marketing. Most effective are in application advertisement. Places in most popular advertisement targeted to immediate activities and interest. How the multi-screen environment changes the marketing funnel. Along with the growth of smartphone and tablet comes a multi-screen world. Smartphone, tablet, desktop, and television. The reality and the future of computing devices is that consumers will be multi-platform. Consumers becoming multi-platform. So desktop, smartphone, tablet, TV, 90% of multi-device users use multiple devices to complete a specific action. View advertisement on TV, search on smartphone, purchase on tablet. Marketing implications. Consistent branding, responsive design, increased complexity and cost. Mobile marketing features. Mobile marketing, almost 70% of all online marketing. Dominant players are Google, Facebook, mobile devices features, personal communicators and organizers, just screen size and resolution, and GPS location and web browser and applications, and ultra portable and personal and multimedia capable touch haptic technology. Mobile marketing tool advertising format. Mobile marketing format. Search, advertise, and display advertise, and video, text video messaging, email, classified read generation. So mobile interface, versions of social network techniques. So unlike social marketing, mobile marketing does not require much of a new marketing vocabulary. All the marketing format available on the desktop are also available on mobile devices. With a few exceptions, mobile marketing is very much like desktop marketing, except it is smaller. Figure 7.9 US mobile advertisement spending by format. Search engine advertising is still the most popular mobile marketing format. So this shows the a pie chart shows United States mobile advertised expenditure by format. The values shown are from highest to lowest. Search $36.5 billion, display $23.3 billion, video 13 billion, other 3.1 billion, messaging 0.3 billion. Insight on business mobile marketing up with 3D and augmented reality. The mobile platform is the dominant marketing platform today, driven by the advent of a smartphone. The use of a mobile device to actually purchase products or services online, as opposed to just shopping and browsing online, has grown significantly, and local businesses are taking advantage of the passive GPS capability of smartphones to create location-based marketing for potential customers who are physically close by. Class discussion: why do mobile devices represent such a promising opportunity for marketers? What are the benefits and the appeal of 3D and augmented reality mobile advertising? Have you ever engaged with 3D or AR mobile advertise? What types of product are best suited for 3D or AR advertise? We're gonna talk about in our class. Mobile marketing campaign. Usually, mobile marketing campaign, as with all marketing campaigns, start by identifying your objectives and understanding just how a mobile marketing campaign might help your firm. Are you a new or unknown startup seeking to develop a brand image, or an already existing brand looking to strengthen your presence and sell product? Is there something about your product that makes them especially attractive to a mobile audience? For instance, if you sell to more local customers walking by your shop, then you might want to use the GPS capability or smartphones to target consumers who are nearby. So mobile website, Facebook and Twitter brand page, and mobile version of display advertising campaign, and advertisement network and interactive contents aimed at mobile user, and tools for measuring response, key dimensions, followers, desktop and social marketing metrics. Figure 7.10 measure the effectiveness of mobile and social marketing branding campaign. The effectiveness of a branding campaign utilizing the mobile platform and social marketing can be measured by examining the number of likes, posts, page view, time on site, and unique visitor. A stock bar graph shows number of likes, posts, page view, time on site, and unique visitor for hypothetical campaign in the month of January, March, and June. The number in millions is shown on the y-axis, and the months are shown on x-axis. Local and location-based marketing. Local or location-based marketing is one of the fast-growing segments of the digital marketing universe. Location-based marketing target marketing message to users based on their location. Generally, location-based marketing involves marketing of location-based service. Location-based marketing target message to user based on location. Marketing of location-based services. Location-based services provide services to user based on location. Personal navigation, point of interest, review, friends finder, family trackers. Consumers have high likelihood of responding to local advertisement. The growth of local and location-based mobile marketing. Prior to the release of the Google Map in 2005, near all local advertising was non-digital and provided by local newspaper, radio and television stations, local yellow pages, and billboard. So Google Map enabled targeting advertisement to user based on IP address and general geographic location. Smartphone Google's mobile maps application year 2007 enabled targeting advertisement based on GPS. Location-based mobile marketing expected to triple over next 5 years. Location-based mobile marketing is currently a small part of the online marketing environment, but it is expected to triple over the next 5 years. So, figure 7.11 help put the location-based mobile marketing in perspectives. Local online marketing in the United States will account for about $68 billion in marketing expenditure in year 2018, with location-based mobile expected to account for about $22 billion of that amount. Location-based marketing platform. The key player in location-based mobile marketing are the same giant who dominate the mobile marketing environment described in the previous section, namely Google, Facebook, Auth, Twitter, Yellow Page, and Pandora. Google is clearly the leading location-based marketer, largely because of its widely used Google Map application on smartphone. So Google, Android OS and Android Map and Google Plays, AdMap and AdWords. So Google also sell location information to independent marketing firm. Marketing firm use AdMap to develop full-screen rich media advertisement. Google main revenue stream comes from its AdWords service, where marketers bid for keyword on Google search engine. Google AdWords used to be the same whether displayed on a desktop computer or on mobile devices. Google has upgraded its AdWords service to optimize ads for user context and devices and to provide management of campaign across all mobile and desktop devices, and also Facebook, and then Auth and Twitter. So location-based mobile marketing technology, two types of location-based marketing technique, Geo-aware Geo-aware technique, identify location of user device and target advertisement, recommending action within reach. Proximity marketing, identify a perimeter around the location and target advertisement and recommendation within that perimeter. So proximity marketing technique, identify a perimeter around the physical location and then target advertisement to user within that perimeter, recommending action possible with the fenced in area, geofence. The perimeter can be from hundreds of feet in urban area to several miles in suburban location. Identifying location, GPS signal, cell tower location, Wi-Fi location. So cell tower, AT&T, Verizon, and other carriers are in constant contact with their device, which allows approximation of location by triangulation and refinement of the unique GPS location. Wireless carrier use a cellular phone MAC address to identify the phone and the location. Wi-Fi location, estimate user location within a radius of a known Wi-Fi access point. GPS, the user device downloads GPS data from GPS satellite. First introduced with the Apple 3G iPhone in 2008. Today, cellular phones are required to broadcast their GPS location for emergency assistance purposes. Why is local mobile attractive to marketer? Consumers who seek information about local business using mobile devices are much more active and ready to purchase than desktop user. Mobile user more active, ready to purchase than desktop users. Over 80% of US consumers use mobile devices to search for local product services. 50% of smartphone users visit a store within 1 day of local search. 18% of smartphone users make serial purchase. Location-based marketing tool. Location-based digital marketing like social marketing present to students of digital marketing with a confusing array of new services, platforms, and firms that provide these services. While some location-based marketing techniques like placing advertisement on Google's AdSense platform aimed at mobile customers are relatively easy to establish for the small business owner. Others require the help of a mobile marketing provider firm. Geosocial based service marketing, location based service marketing, mobile, local social network marketing, proximity marketing, in-store messaging, location-based application messaging. Location-based consideration, action-based time-restrained offer and opportunity, target demographic and the location of where mobile user demographic, strategic analysis of main market space, measuring marketing results, same measure as mobile and web marketing, metrics for unique characteristic, inquire, reserve, click to call, friends, purchases. Careers in e-commerce. There are great many ways to measure the success of a mobile location-based campaign. Some very sophisticated. The measure of success will vary, depending on the objective of the campaign, which might be to raise the awareness of your brand among consumers, to bring customer to your retail store, or click to call campaign where you want people to make reservation for a concert. We're gonna call it a day and then see you later. Bye.